So now in this video we are going to see how we can reuse the metadata that we have previously made outside of QGIS. So for instance, this is ListMap, an open source project that we are working on. Basically it takes a QGIS project and it allows you to publish it on the web. You can find again your layers, your styles, your QGIS forms, etc. but on the web. So if PgMetadata is also installed on the server next to QGIS server, every time that you click on a layer you can find like your layer, and then you can also find your metadata that you previously made. So here it's for a specific layer. You can find again like the links, the contacts that we saw, etc. And also this module on ListMap is also providing a DCAT catalog entry point, which can be harvested by another service. So for instance, this is the Open Data Portal of France, showing like for this province all the data sets. So this has been like fetched by PgMetadata, like providing the DCAT XML, and then this Open Data Portal has read the XML file and add every entries. So this is, for instance, like the XML generated on ListMap, available online. But if you are not using ListMap, you can still write your own wrapper and make some raw SQL queries on the database. So for instance, if you want the HTML output of a dataset, you can do a select query, pgmetadata.getDataset item HTML content. Then you specify the schema, the table, and the local, the line in which you want to have the HTML output. And if you want to generate the DCAT XML, then you can do this query, for instance. So you can be free to write your own wrapper using any language that you want, any other web framework, like such as Flask if you want, and write your own wrapper to reuse your metadata in your application. If you do so, please forward us like what you have built on top of PgMetadata with your own wrapper. We will be happy to add this link here.